Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Windows Essentials 2012 in Windows 11. Let's get into the video. Now, before we begin, I'd like to mention that this method works from Windows 8 up to the current version of Windows, which is Windows 11. So, the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description below to download Windows Essentials 2012. After you've downloaded it, double click on the file to open it, and in the user account control pop-up, click yes. You'll get a prompt to install .NET Framework. Well, if you do, you need to click download and install, and after it's finished installing, you'll get a prompt telling you to reboot your computer. You won't get the option to click the reboot now button or restart later, and reboot just means restart. So you'll need to restart manually by clicking on the Windows icon, power button, and then restart. After that, you need to double click on the file again, and then in the user account control pop-up, click yes, and then you'll be taken to this screen. And we're not going to click choose the programs you want to install. Click install all of Windows Essentials recommended. Click that, and it'll say installing Windows Essentials 2012. And there we go. Windows Essentials 2012 has been successfully installed. You can click close on the window here, and you can see that Windows Live Messenger has popped up here. Just to sign into it, we can click out of that, and you can see a bunch of apps have been added. Now, in case you're wondering what apps have been added, Windows Photo Gallery, Windows Movie Maker, Windows Live Mail, and Windows Live Writer have all been added. If you go to the search and type Photo Gallery, that pops up, Writer, that pops up, Movie Maker, that pops up, Windows Live Messenger pops up, and Windows Live Mail pops up. So, that's how to install Windows Essentials 2012 in Windows 11. So, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and comment down below what you thought on this video. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.